everyone, how are you all? I hope you're all doing good. So we are back on your favorite learning platform, Learn Forward, and we are going to study people and places. This is chapter number 15, Kolkata, the city of joy. So we have been studying about all the metropolitan cities. First, we have studied about the biggest metropolitan city, which is Mumbai. Second metropolitan city, that is Delhi, and now third is your Kolkata. So as we have studied about the famous buildings, famous food, the people who live there, the language they speak, and what kind of food they eat, and same likewise in this chapter also we are going to study about all of this about Kolkata, which is in West Bengal. So West Bengal is a state and Kolkata is its capital. Kolkata is located on the eastern banks of the river Hooghly. Kolkata is the capital of West Bengal. So Kolkata जो है ये ईस्टर्न साइड में है हुगली रिवर के, बेसिकली जो ईस्टर्न बैंक है हुगली रिवर के उस पे कोलकाता आपकी जो है सिटी लोकेटेड है एंड कोलकाता इज द कैपिटल ऑफ वेस्ट बंगाल एज आई हैव ऑलरेडी टोल्ड यू. ऑल द इंपॉर्टेंट ऑफिसर ऑफ द स्टेट गवर्नमेंट आर लोकेटेड हियर. सो वन थिंग, जो भी स्टेट का कैपिटल होता है उस कैपिटल के अंदर जितने भी स्टेट गवर्नमेंट के ऑफिसर्स होते हैं सब वहीं पे लोकेट होते हैं. So the governor, chief minister and ministers live here. So the CM and the ministers all live here. Now Kolkata is the third most popular metropolitan area in India. So जो आपका कोलकाता है ये third most popular metropolitan city है basically. About 14 million people live here. So around 14 million people live here. Now it is also a seaport. यहाँ पे seaport भी है as it is situated on the banks of the river. Kolkata city is connected with the sea through the river Hooghly. So how it is connected to the sea? It is connected through river Hooghly. Hooghly river is so deep and wide that ships can come into the port of Kolkata through it. So जो Hooghly river है वो इतनी ज़्यादा wide है और deep है, the ships can easily come to the Kolkata. कोलकाता इज अ बिग ट्रेडिंग सेंटर एंड अ इंडस्ट्रियल सिटी. जो कोलकाता है ये बड़ा सा इंडस्ट्रियल सेंटर भी है, आपका इंडस्ट्रियल सिटी भी है और ट्रेडिंग सेंटर भी है. नाउ ये किस चीज के लिए फेमस है? फॉर इट्स टेक्सटाइल, सेकंड इज योर जूट एंड थर्ड इज योर पेपर इंडस्ट्री. टेक्सटाइल, जूट एंड पेपर इंडस्ट्रीज, these are the things for which it is famous. The people who live here, they speak Bengali. They are basically, the Bengalis are fond of painting, singing and other arts. So these are some things which the people love there. Their common food is rice and fish. The staple food is their rice and fish. They love to eat rice and fish. आप देखना जो भी एरियाज या जो भी प्लेसेस विच आर सिचुएटेड नियर द कोस्ट, विच आर सिचुएटेड नियर द रिवर्स, वहां पर जो है आप राइस और फिश जो है बेसिकली कॉमन होता है. फिशेज आर मोर कॉमन बिकॉज उनका जो है वो सोर्स ऑफ फूड है वहाँ इजिली अवेलेबल होता है. They are very fond of sweets like rasgulla, sandesh and cham-cham made of cheese. So these are some famous sweets which people like there, which is your rasgulla, sandesh and cham-cham. They are basically made of cheese. Chewing of pan is very common. So the people love to chew pan there. The festival of Durga Puja is celebrated here with great pomp and show. So festival है दुर्गा पूजा का, ये बहुत great pomp and show के साथ मनाया जाता है. आप देखोगे हर जगह का जो है एक पर्टिकुलर फेस्टिवल है जो वहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा ग्रेट pomp शो के साथ मनाया जाता है. एज मुंबई में इट इज़ गणेश चतुर्थी. Delhi में all the festivals are celebrated as it is the capital, and here Durga Puja is celebrated. People celebrate other festivals also. Football is the most popular game in Kolkata. So football is popular game there. Now the climate of the Kolkata is neither very hot nor very cold. It rains heavily in Kolkata. So जो climate है it is same as Mumbai, not very hot, not very cold. It rains heavily. It becomes humid. Humidity बढ़ जाती है during the rainy season. Now some trains run underground in Kolkata. बहुत सारी trains ऐसी हैं जो आपकी underground चलती हैं. The trains that run underground is called metro. So the metro जो है वो ऊपर भी चलती है और underground भी चलती है. So the trains which run underground they are metro. कोलकाता एक पहली ऐसी सिटी है इंडियन जहाँ पे अंडरग्राउंड रेलवे सिस्टम स्टार्ट किया गया था. It is the first Indian city which has the underground railway system. Now the first tram in Kolkata was introduced on 24th February 1873. It was horse driven. जो पहला ट्राम था कोलकाता में वो 1873 में पहला ट्राम जो था चलाया गया था and it was driven by a horse. Second thing, The electric tram of the Kolkata was introduced on 27 March 1902 and 1905 all the trams were driven by electricity. So उसके थोड़े टाइम बाद 1900s में 27 मार्च 1905 तक सारे जो ट्राम्स थे they were then run by electricity. In 1951 the trams of Kolkata were managed by London Tram Company. 1951 तक आते आते जितने भी ट्राम्स थे सारे वो कौन मैनेज करने लगा? लंदन ट्राम कंपनी. Now people also travel in buses and trams in the city. So people to go from one place to another they use buses and the trams. A tram run on rails through roads. जो trams है basically वो किस पे चलते हैं? They run on the rails through roads. These are trams. Nowadays Kolkata is the only city in India where trams are running. So trams एक अकेली कोलकाता एक ऐसी सिटी है जहाँ पे ट्राम्स चलते हैं. Rabindra Setu, which is your Havra Bridge on River Hooghly, is one of the main attractions of the Kolkata. So, जो Rabindra Setu है, it is the attraction basically attraction of Kolkata. Why? We will see it on the next page. इससे पहले हावड़ा ब्रिज बोला जाता था. This bridge links two cities, Havra and Kolkata. So ये दो cities को आपस में connect करता है, which is first is your Havra, second is your Kolkata. This is Rabindra Setu or your Havra Bridge. Now a new bridge called Vidyasagar Setu has been built on this river. So पहले हुगली रिवर पर सिर्फ रविंद्र सेतु था which is your हावड़ा ब्रिज, पर अब इस पे विद्यासागर सेतु भी जो है बनाया गया है. Havra bridge does not have any pillars to support it. So you can see that this bridge does not have any pillars to support it. In olden days, bridge could be lifted on two sides from the middle. So पहले के टाइम पे इस ब्रिज पे ऐसे पिलर्स नहीं थे तो इसको ऐसे खोल दिया जाता था जब कोई भी बड़ी शिप पास करना चाहती होती थी, ताकि जो है ये एक ब्रिज है बीच में ऑब्स्टिकल ना बने. सो इसमें इसलिए पिलर्स नहीं लगे थे ताकि ये इजीली ऐसे खोल सके और शिप पास कर सके. आफ्टर द लिफ्टिंग ऑफ द ब्रिज बिग शिप्स कुड पास थ्रू. सो यही रीजन था. नाउ द ब्रिज हैज बीन फिक्स्ड. अब इसे परमानेंटली फिक्स कर दिया गया है. The big ships stop at the Diamond Harbour. So there is a harbour or a port which is your Diamond Harbour. यहाँ पे जो है बड़ी शिप्स को पहले ही रोक दिया जाता है which is the present port of Kolkata. So it is the port of Kolkata. These are some famous places of the Kolkata. First is your Victoria Memorial. It is made up of white marble. Birla Planetarium, Botanical Garden, Rabindra Sarovar, Belur Mach and your Dakshineshwar Temple. Belur Mach. This is your Dakshineshwar Temple. These are some famous tourist attraction places. Now, other places worth seeing in Kolkata are Victoria Memorial, Birla Planetarium, the National Library, Indian Museum, Alipur Zoo, the Rabindra Sarovar, Belur Mach, दक्षिणेश्वर टेम्पल एंड द बोटानिकल गार्डन. सो ये सब प्लेसेस जिसकी हमने अभी पिक्चर्स देखी लास्ट पेज पे, दीज आर द टूरिस्ट अट्रैक्शंस. नाउ लास्ट इज योर विक्टोरिया मेमोरियल. इट इज मेड अप ऑफ अ व्हाइट मार्बल. नाउ क्लासरूम एक्टिविटी, आंसर इन वन वर्ड. व्हिच व्हीकल रन ऑन रेल्स थ्रू द रोड्स? सो इट इज द ट्राम which run on the rails through roads. Second, of which state is Kolkata the capital? So Kolkata is the capital of West Bengal. Third, what is the underground railway called? So underground railway is known as the metro. Fourth, what is the most important festival of Kolkata? So the most important festival is Durga Puja. Fifth, name the river on whose banks Kolkata is located. So it is located on the banks of River Hooghly. Assess yourself. A, take the correct answer. First, Kolkata is located on the river. It is located on the River Hooghly. Second, Kolkata is the capital of West Bengal. Third, the underground railway in Kolkata is called metro. Now, the number of pillars in Havra Bridge are 152 or nil. So it is basically 0. So nil is the answer. Now, second question. Sorry, the new name of the Havra Bridge is, it is the Rabindra Setu. Answer in yes or no. Is the river Ganga called Hooghly near Kolkata? Yes, it is the Ganga river only which is called Hooghly near the Kolkata. So this is yes. Do most of the people living in Kolkata speak Bengali? Yes, most of the people speak Bengali there. Do people of Kolkata mostly eat chapatis? No, the staple food of people there is rice and fish. Is Kolkata famous for jute industries? Yes, it is famous for its jute industries. Fifth, is Victoria Memorial made of black marble? No, it is made up of white marble. So this is also no. Now, answer the following questions. What are the main industries of Kolkata? So we will get the answer here. So Kolkata is a big trading center and an industrial city. It is famous for its textile, jute and paper industries. So the famous industries are paper, textile and jute. So this is your answer number 1. Now question number 2. On which river is the Havra Bridge? So it is located on the Hooghly River. Now, what is the common food of the people in Kolkata? So the common food is the rice and fish. Fourth, which sweets do people of Kolkata love to eat? So the people love to eat, the sweets which they love to eat is rasgulla, cham cham and sandesh. So you can check the spellings on the second page. About how many people live in Kolkata? So there are about 14 million people who live in Kolkata. So we have completed the chapter. I hope you don't have any problem. You can check the answers in the book also in the chapter. They are all given. So thank you so much. Happy learning.